Hi, welcome to Construction Update. These are the top 10 construction stories, what contractors are reading most this week. I'm Larry Stewart with ForConstructionPros.com.
And I'm Dormy Roberts, Associate Editor of Pavement Maintenance and Reconstruction.
Thanks for being with us, Dormy. Top 10 stories. Number 10 on the list this week is Topcon announcing its robotic systems now available for curb and gutter applications. So this is a video interview where Topcon's Brian Lingobardo tells our Jessica Lombardo, an interesting connection of names there, at World of Concrete about how digital 3D systems can pour what is engineered more accurately than string line. Topcon's been using GPS positioning combined with laser for millimeter precision in curb and gutter business for like 8 seasons. And now they're offering robotic total stations for work when GPS signals are unreliable.
And coming in at the number 9 spot this week is the 2021 Pavement Repair Top Contractors. So this list is the top 75 companies in a compiled yearly list and based on gross sales from the previous year. So the pavement repair segment accounted for 19% total work by the companies who applied. This list was the only segment that did not see a drastic drop in sales, and we can attribute that success to owners and property managers feeling more comfortable spending money on smaller jobs rather than total reconstruction jobs.
Number 8 on the list is new features of the enhanced G-Series loaders from Case Construction Equipment. Justin Connor talks about a new set of features on the enhanced 921G loader, including a case-built integrated bucket scale for precise loading work that allows load data to be downloaded via telematics. New power modes improve fuel economy and reduce tire slippage. Check this video from World of Concrete out for the rest of the features.
And number 7 most read article this week is 2021 Paving Top Contractors. So in this article, we take a look at the paving specific companies, their margins, the types of jobs, their customers, and total sales. Speaking of, the paving only top 75 list outpaces in terms of sales and makes up 62% of the total revenue between all industry segments.
Yeah, good job on those lists, Stormy. That was a big project for you, right?
Yeah. Everybody, contractors applied to this list, and I go through the numbers and put them in and make sure that they meet the requirements, and we go from there and make the lists.
Number 6 on the list is the first major Davis-Bacon Senate vote in 10 years preserving the prevailing wage. A vote on June 8 on amendments to a package of bills designed to invest in U.S. competitiveness with China ensures support not just for the semiconductor manufacturers, but also for the workers that drive their productivity. This package of bipartisan bills introduced in the Senate is designed to invest in science, research and development, manufacturing and innovation to compete with China under the U.S. Innovation and Competition umbrella. It appeared to be stalling in May when Republicans withheld votes to end debate on the bill in an attempt to advance an amendment that would strip prevailing wage requirements. Get the story on what happens next here.
2021 Top Contractor Overview is the 5th most read article this week. Wow, people must really love looking at these lists. This article looks at the whole pavement maintenance industry as a whole, so seal coating, striping, pavement repair, and paving. The findings from this year's survey, we concluded, was due to economic uncertainty the coronavirus pandemic had on the nation. We can speculate that customers were hesitant to spend large amounts of money to have their pavements replaced. And we opened the survey late January each year and encourage pavement maintenance contractors to apply for the honors of making this list. And then they can have year-long recognition of being a top contractor. So that's my shameless plug for contractors to apply.
Those stories are competing really well on this list with all these stories from World of Concrete, which is a huge industry event that happened last week. So we have another video at number 4, Astec rebranding and simplifying their business focus. Barry Ruffalo, Astec president and CEO, tells our Amy Schwann about the manufacturer's major rebranding effort, renaming asphalt industry stalwarts such as Carlson Paving, Heat Tech, Rexcon, and Road Tech under the Astec brand. The One Astec business model simplifies customer access to the company and unites employees and dealers in the effort for Astec growth.
And sitting at number 3 this week is an article that Larry actually wrote. Builders start blaming waning confidence on material prices just before lumber prices fall. So the latest National Association of Home Builders and Wells Fargo Housing Market Index shows rising material prices and supply chain shortages, resulting in builder confidence dipping to the lowest level since August of 2020.
Yeah, it's pretty interesting. It surprised me. Well, for the month, essentially, the lumber prices have been on a significant downward trend. Number 2 on the list, OSHA's new COVID-19 standard lets most industries set their own safety protocols. So on June 10, OSHA issued an emergency standard for healthcare workers, but then updated guidance to protect workers from coronavirus in other industries that essentially allows those sectors to continue using best practices designed specifically for their industries.
And the most read article this week is a new product launch, Husqvarna's new K1 cutoff saw, expected to match gas-powered performance. So the company recently launched the K1 Pace, a high-power battery cutter that can handle heavy-duty jobs. So the saw, which was on display at World of Concrete, is geared towards greater sustainability that provides zero direct emissions, lower vibrations, smoother cutting, and optimal center of gravity to help reduce the body strain.
Yeah, and not too surprising that this is a really well-read story. As manufacturers start talking specifically about equaling gas-powered performance, which is what they're claiming for this K1 battery-powered saw, I think people are really going to cut out the hassles of trying to deal with gasoline mixtures on project sites. That is our list for the week. Thank you so much, Dormy, for your help.
Yes.
And thank you, everybody, for tuning in. We'll have a list again next week. Be safe out there and have a great weekend.